Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. In West Bengal, India, cows must have a photo ID card. 61% of school children in India have disease causing germs on their hands. The world's biggest family lives together in India, a man with 39 wives and 94 children. It is illegal for foreigners to take Indian currency out of India. In India, there is a vigilant group called the Love Commandos that offers protection from harassment to couples. Gleevec, a cancer drug that cost US $70,000 in the US per year. A man married a dog in India as atonement. Police officers in one state, Madhya Pradesh in India, are given a slight pay upgrade for having a moustache. Shakuntala Devi, also known as the human calculator, after she calculated two 13-digit numbers. India has a floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. The first rocket in India was transported on a cycle by ISRO scientists. Water on the moon was discovered by India. India's first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, only took 50% of his salary. First Indian astronaut Rakesh Sharma said India looks सारे जहां से अच्छा from space. The Chel cricket ground in Chel, Himachal Pradesh is the highest cricket ground in the world. Mawsyn Ram, a village on the Khasi Hills, Meghalaya, is the wettest inhabited place in the world. Bandra Worli Sea Link has steel wires equal to Earth's circumference. Legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand was offered German citizenship by Adolf Hitler. Freddie Mercury and Ben Kingsley are both of Indian descent. India has a spa just for elephants. Snakes and ladders originated in 2nd century BC India by Moksha Patamu. Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to ex-Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam. Santa Claus has worn blue and white and green in the past. His traditional red suit came from 1930s ad by Coca-Cola. Over 14 million adults and children are trapped in modern slavery in India today. Introduced by the British, cricket is India's most popular sport. Christmas supposedly marks the birth of Jesus Christ on December 25. India has the world's third largest road network at 1.9 million miles. Dancing is one of the India's most highly developed arts and was an integral part of worship in inner shrines of every temple. India is the world's largest producer of dried beans such as kidney beans and chickpeas. 32-year-old Tom Peters transformed him into a Dalmatian dog after the death of the pet which his wife used to love the most. This nurse discovered that the new doctor on her team was a premature baby she helped to save 28 years ago. Would this say if you meet somebody and your heart pounds, your hands shake, your knees go weak, that's not the one? Being ugly is a blessing because you know if someone talks to you, it's for your personality, not your looks. A mother may be educated or uneducated, but she is the best guide and last hope in the world when you fail in your life. 4.8 billion people own mobile phones, whereas only 4.2 billion people own a toothbrush. Andrew Stander, a South African policeman and criminal, robbed banks on his lunch break and often returned as the investigating officer. Every major world religion is represented in India. Microsoft first staff photo from 7 December 1978 along with Bill Gates. Vidyala Yatindra holds the world record of the longest title of the book, consists of 26,021 characters. This cartoon from the 1930s shows not much has changed in this regard. Mark Bustos works full-time at a boutique salon where prices start at $150. Vidyu Jamwal ranked 6th in the top 10 martial artists of the world and gets in list of 10 people you don't want to mess with in the world list. This is the amount of protection that is used to protect the undersea cable. When it's cold enough to see the melody, an award-winning photo by Catherine Swoboda. Thanks for watching.